my name is Isabella from Vacuums R Us, and today I'm here to talk to you about Simplicity's entry-level allergen vacuum. This upright is a great starter for many households because it comes with manual height adjustment as well as HEPA filtration. Another great feature is its quick draw wand as well as its clear, slinky hose. Not only is the wand a quick draw, it also is telescoping. This machine comes on board with both a crevice tool and a dusting brush. It also comes with a 30-foot cord as well as a carrying handle for convenience. When your HEPA media bag is full, the EZM will let you know with a bag indicator light. In terms of maintenance, the EZM requires very little. It has a metal brush roller, which is essentially self-cleaning. It also helps improve performance. Aside from the hose, you'll notice that the front and the base plate of the EZM are both clear. This is to help you find and locate clogs much easier. You might notice the rubber bumper on the front of your EZM. This is to prevent the machine from leaving marks along your baseboards or your furniture. Not only does this machine come with a 1-year warranty, it also boasts the gold seal from the Carpet and Rug Institute. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the team at Vacuums R Us.